Hello and welcome to, for once, not a devlog video, because before I make another devlog video, I wanted to do a poll on whether or not people would rather have Crash Echo be a 3D game or a 2D game, which I mentioned in my last devlog, which was devlog 5, and well, I do have one update, I guess. I mixed the old player image with the new one, so I think it just looks a little bit better. But back to what I was saying. The I'm losing my train of thought. So whether or not I should switch to making a 3D version of the game, I'm gonna do a poll to see whether or not people would rather have 3D or 2D. So I thought I'd talk about some of the differences that would happen. First would be that the development time would increase a lot to probably a few years, where if I continue with this 2D engine, I might be able to have the first release on Android and desktop platforms by the end of this year, probably, or at least in the middle of the year, some point in the summer, I think. But if I switch to doing a 3D game engine, I have to learn all the math and stuff behind a 3D game engine, and I would also have to write all this OpenGL code to get it to work correctly. And on top of that, if I want to continue supporting an Android version, I would also have to learn OpenGL ES, which I tried working with and I'm having a harder time with than normal OpenGL. But the last thing I'd probably have to do is I'd have to learn some 3D modeling program to do the modeling and texturing, which will also take a lot of time. But I already have experience with making 2D games, and well, I guess it's more up to what platform people would rather play on. I might be able to do with a 3D game on desktops only, but personally I'd like to have it be a mobile game as well. Just because, well, why not? And I've done a poll on my Instagram and Twitter social media, and so far it looks like keeping the 2D and Android versions are winning. So I thought I'd do one on not Instagram, on YouTube as well. So that's about it. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you consider to vote in the poll.